In this video, we will look at undoing a percent change. So, suppose your employer cuts your salary by 5%. If you want your salary to be back at your original salary, what percent raise must you ask for? To think about this, we'll draw some line segments. So we'll let O, that's an O, represent the original salary. We'll draw that with a line segment. And then we'll let R represent the reduced salary. We know the reduced salary is 95% of the original salary, so maybe that segment looks something like that. The reduced salary is 95% of the original salary, and so the salary decreased by 5% of the original salary. So this change in salary is 0.05 times as large as the original salary. That's actually a negative change because the salary decreased. So to get back to the original salary, we have to increase by the same amount. So we have to increase by an amount that's 0.05 times as large as the original salary. So answering the question about what percent raise we must ask for, we have to compare this change in salary to the reduced salary. Now the reduced salary is 95% of the original salary, and so this reduced salary is 0.95 times as large as the original salary. So to compare this change in salary to get back to the original salary, to compare that to the reduced salary, we can make a multiplicative comparison. So the change in salary, 0.05 times the original, is this number of times as large as the reduced salary. So up here, the numerator is the change in salary. The denominator is the reduced salary. And doing this multiplicative comparison, we're going to see that these O's cancel out, and we end up with 0.05 divided by 0.95, which gives us a value of approximately 0.05263, which means that the change in salary is about 0.05263 times as large as the reduced salary. And therefore, that change in salary is about 5.263% of the reduced salary R. And therefore, the percent raise we must ask for is this 5.263%. This is a hard idea, so let's look at one more example with some numerical values. Suppose the value of a $1,000 investment decreased by 15% over a 1-year time period. What percent gain is required in order to recover the lost value? So again, let's let O represent the original investment value. We'll represent that with a line segment. And then the reduced value we'll represent with this segment. And we lost 15%. And we know the original investment value is $1,000. If we lost 15% of $1,000, we lost $150. So this change in value is negative 0.15 times 1,000, which is equal to negative 150. So we lost $150. To get back up to our original value, we have to increase by that same $150. So to determine what percent we must increase by, we have to compare that change in value to the value of this reduced investment value. So the reduced investment value is $1,000 minus the $150, which is $850. And therefore, the change in value is 150 divided by 850 times as large as the reduced value. 150 divided by 850 is about 0.1765. So that $150 is about 0.1765 times as large as the reduced value, and therefore the value must increase by 17.65%. So the percent change needed to get back up to the $1,000 value is about 17.65.